Faunus, the god of fields and wild nature, was one of the most beloved deities in the Roman pantheon, embodying the spirit of the land and forests. Depicted as a half-human, half-goat figure with horns and furry legs, Faunus symbolized the primal, untamed energy of nature. He was the guardian of rural areas and forests, inspiring respect and reverence among Romans who depended on the land for survival. Known as the protector of shepherds and flocks, Faunus was invoked to ensure the fertility of fields and the safety of animals. Shepherds and farmers offered him sacrifices and performed rituals so he would keep the fields fertile and guard their livestock from harm. Faunus was seen as a god intimately connected with nature, able to hear the voices of animals and the whispers of trees, living in harmony with the wilderness. Beyond his role as a protector of nature, Faunus was associated with the wild and instinctive side of humans, bringing forth a free and carefree spirit. During the Lupercalia festivities in February, Faunus was celebrated with joyful dances and rituals, where his followers invoked his spirit to ensure prosperity and protection. This celebration symbolized the Romans' deep connection to nature, reminding them of the joy of living in tune with natural cycles. Faunus was also known for his ability to communicate through dreams and visions, revered as a god who could transmit messages and omens. The Romans believed he could appear in dreams to warn of danger or bestow blessings. This ability made Faunus a close and accessible god who cared for his worshippers in a personal way, guiding and protecting them in the fields and forests. Faunus remains a symbol of the wild and free side of nature, representing the beauty and mystery of fields and forests. For the Romans, he was a reminder of the importance of respecting the natural world and living in harmony with it. His figure inspires love for the land and gratitude for the resources it provides, celebrating the balance between humankind and the surrounding environment.